This is Directing Lab. Directing Lab is a storyboard tool created for directors and directing students. It's completely browser-based. It requires no installation. It lets you choose from a long list of set props for rehearsal. Elements can be dragged, rotated, and positioned. Everything is super easy. There are doors, windows, columns, and rehearsal cubes. Doors can be open or closed, chairs can be flipped. There are units for counters or bars, trees, and columns, a piano, a bed, a park bench, and more. Setting up the stage is not just easy, it's actually really fun, but that's just step one. This lab is for demonstrating moments for actors within a scene. There are up to 7 actors available for any given moment. There are stick figures, like drawings on a marker board, but in 3D. Like set props, they can be positioned on stage and rotated in place. They can be assigned names. Name tags can follow the figures everywhere on stage, so they can be turned on and off. The stick figures are deliberately neutral, but you can set each actor to be unique. You can set specific actors to be different sizes. You can assign colors to specific actors too. All of these are options depending on how you want to use this tool. Arrange actors and scenery into compositions. Actors can sit and lie down in a variety of ways. When you have a moment set like you want it, capture it. Capturing a moment records the position of everything on stage. It also creates a still image of the moment. All of this information is added to the storyboard. The storyboard lets you browse through moments you have saved. You can change the order. You can insert new moments in between panels. You can delete panels. Casually scroll through captured moments. There are floating notations you can arrange in the composition. Use these to add comments, mark lines, or suggest more blocking. The images saved in the storyboard allow you to use this with other programs. You can scroll through the still images. You can also copy, paste, or save them. This means you can insert them into PowerPoint or Word or other programs. You can set your PowerPoint background to match the color of the lab background. Directing Lab lets you save your project to the cloud or to your own device. For cloud saving, it gives you a unique 8-character code that you can use to retrieve it later. You can use this in lots of different ways for a class. If you have a lot of students and limited access to the rehearsal space, this allows a lot of prep to be done remotely. Directors can stage the same scene in different ways to compare strengths and weaknesses and choices. You can combine this with Zoom. Actors can receive direction for their voice acting and rehearse alongside their virtual blocking. Scenes can be presented online with voice acting combined with the storyboard. In this way, directors build essential planning skills. They analyze dramatic composition, and they work with actors. I can think of a lot of other uses for this lab. I'm really curious to see what the greater community might do with it. I've really enjoyed building this tool. I hope that the directors and students and teachers and all the general theater community all find it really useful. Thanks.